What is up, YouTube? Are you looking to really start to make money online? And I don't mean like, another silly gimmick that's going to work for a couple of days. I'm talking about something that really works long term, that's really going to make you money, that's going to show you a real method that real people can do to make money online. If so, I think you're going to really be excited when I tell you all about my review of 10x commissions. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, of course, it's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Go ahead and skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be stale as well. Jokes by Jerry Seinfeld, maybe. After all, when was the last time we even heard from him? He has that thing, comedians in cars getting coffee, but even that, getting kind of stale. Jerry, get some new material. Anyway, seriously. But if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Really, Bart? Every single day you gotta do this? Do you know how irritating that guy is all the time? Yakety, 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 crap, 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 crap. It's really annoying. The way things work here, if I like it, but I will give a tip. I had to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. Liz says the same thing every day also. Regular viewers know this, but I still love Liz. I can't get angry at her. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Obliterate the bell icon because, frankly, subscribe doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for the 10x commissions machine. And before anybody asks, no, this has nothing to do with Grant Cardone. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, Grant Cardone, his famous thing is 10exit. That's he's more of a real estate guy, to be perfectly honest, than a make money online guy, but very interesting person. Anyhow, bottom line is like this: 10x machines. This is by Cynthia Benitez and John Newman. Now, Cynthia has been doing a few launches already. John, I think this is his first or second launch. And John is actually the one teaching this course. Now, the reason I have this up over here, I want you to pay close attention to this. You see, these first two over here, these are from Cynthia. These last two are from John. And I want you to see these because this is, especially John, because he's pretty new, these are actual numbers that actual people can actually be making. Okay, because very often you see these kind of things. I put up my own numbers also, and I put up like numbers like $10,000, $12,000 a month, and yeah, I can do that because I'm a vendor, and I've been doing this for a while, and I have a bunch of sales under my belt. Even when I don't do a launch in a month, I can still do thousands of dollars a month because of the fact that I have built myself up over time. For somebody who is brand new, it's harder to do that. But John, you can see over here, this is $1,484. Okay, this is real numbers that a real person could do. And that's what I'd like to see, the real numbers. A lot of people know I get kind of bent out of shape when I see all these vendor numbers. And what do I mean by vendor? That means that somebody who put together a course and is selling their course. First of all, the numbers are kind of skewed when you're selling a course, because when you sell the course, basically you're seeing numbers that your affiliates brought in as opposed to what you brought in yourself. And second of all, when you sell a course, the other issue is that, you already have, it means you have a built-in list of people who buy stuff. Whereas if you haven't done that yet, it's harder to have a list. Now, I did want to talk to you about my bonuses because I always have the best bonuses available. So there's basically with Tan's commissions, John's going to teach you how to build a proper list and how to monetize it in the maximum way possible. It's something that I've done in the past. I haven't done it lately, to be perfectly honest. And there's a particular reason why I haven't done this particular method recently, and it has nothing to do with it not working. It actually works great. It's part of my own transition that I'm working on. I'll explain to you in just a moment why. Well, you know what? I gotta fix my shirt here. Anyway, so let me explain to you why what this is and why this is so groundbreaking. Okay, so and I'll also explain to you my bonuses. So first of all, here's the members area of Tan's commissions. Now, so let me explain to you what this is all about. So first and foremost, what he's going to teach you is proper list building techniques. He's going to show you a method that I pioneered in my very own income formula course. He's actually got a couple of nice twists on this particular method for building a list, which is very, very interesting, and it's completely for free. Now, what I'm going to do for you is like this. First and foremost, to supplement this, I'm going to give you my own list building method that I recently used that added several hundred fresh leads to my list. And when you get this method, you're also going to get the ability to implement it. And basically, I was able to add several hundred fresh buyer leads, guaranteed buyer leads to my list. It made over $650. It took me about 5 minutes of work and did it in under a week. Okay, it was a really, really cool method, and it worked. You know, it really does work, and I'm going to give you that method as part of my bonus. The other thing I want to do for you is like this. So let me show you over here. So he's going to give you all this stuff. Aweber, okay, you don't have to use Aweber. You can use anybody you like. He just likes Aweber. I personally am not a big fan of Aweber. I like GetResponse. But either way, you can use Aweber, GetResponse. I personally actually don't use either of them. I use something custom made, which is a bit more complicated to install, which is why I don't recommend it to the average person. But my own system works for me. Anyway, but he's going to go over step by step every single thing you're going to need to know in order to really start making money using this system. Now, what's really, really cool is building a bonus page. Okay, this is very, very important. It's something that I've done in the past. I haven't done it lately. I'll explain to you why I haven't done it lately. It's because I'm moving in a few weeks. Once I move, I'm going to be setting up a brand new LLC for Man in the Hat LLC. And basically, once I set up the new LLC, I'm going to be switching to a brand new website. And there's a whole rebranding process that's going to be going into the new website. Basically, the new website is going to have, obviously, bonus pages, just like you see here inside of Tan's Commissions. I'm also going to have my brand new iOS and Android app, which is in the final stages of completion. It's a very, very cool app, by the way. We spent a lot of money and a lot of time developing this app. It's not, because I know a lot of people put up an Android app, like basically just for the sake of putting up an Android app, and it doesn't really do anything. Basically, the Android app is like, and I actually did a video on this one time where I teach how to. I should admit, I'll give you that as a bonus as well. That's basically just a method of taking your own blog and turning it into an Android app, which is cool because it does give you a little bit of credibility whether you have your own Android app. In my case, I actually paid a developer and worked for months and months and months with a developer to create a custom-made Android and iOS app. And unlike what you could do with the method I'm going to show you in my bonus, my app actually is something that everybody's going to want to use basically in this industry. It's a really, really cool app. I'm also going to be starting up a podcast. So basically the reason that I haven't been doing bonus pages lately is because I'm kind of holding off until I start using the new website. But bonus pages definitely do help. In the meantime, what I've been doing is my YouTube videos, which basically functions as kind of like a bonus page, but bonus pages definitely help a lot. And I highly recommend using them. Which brings me to my second bonus, which is going to be that I'm going to give you my own custom-made bonus page template. You can see over here, he's recommending using Commission Gorilla, which is a great piece of software. Don't get me wrong, I like Commission Gorilla, great piece of software, but it costs money, okay? Commission Gorilla is not a free piece of software. It does cost money to purchase it. And what I'm going to give you, you can use absolutely 100% for free. You don't spend any money on it. Only thing you need is hosting of a WordPress website. And if you don't want to spend money on hosting, you can host it on WordPress.com and get it completely for free. So you want to spend money on Commission Gorilla. Finally, the last thing I'm going to give you is over here. You can see here he has solo ads for leads. Now, he's going to recommend a particular solo ad vendor that I happen to like a lot. The guy's a little bit expensive. I'm going to give you, as another one of my bonuses, I'm going to give you a link to a solo ad vendor that I have used personally that has the same or better results than the one that John's going to recommend, but the guy is significantly cheaper than John. It's going to be like at least 10 to 15 cents per click cheaper than John, which can add up to a lot if you're going to order, say, like 500 clicks, for example. You order 500 clicks of this other guy and 10 cents a click off, let's say. That adds up to quite a nice amount of money. That's gonna basically take like $50 off. They're gonna be saving, and this is a $13 course, so you do the math. Now he's gonna show you free traffic methods. So you're gonna get another free traffic method from me that's exclusive to me, and I'll give you a few bonuses that they're throwing in as well. There's a whole bunch of bonuses that they're letting me give you, but everybody's gonna be able to give you those things. I want to give you something that's unique to me. Let's talk a little bit about the course as well. So as you can see, it's a complete course. I'm going to show you how to set up a website, how to set up a YouTube channel, how to set up an email account, okay, and find a product promote. That's really important, okay. The big thing, of course, is setting up a bonus page, which is really going to make you a lot more money if you use a bonus page, okay. And it's going to show you everything you need to know, start to finish, in order to make this whole thing work, which is really, really cool, especially for the $12.95 that you're paying. This is a good deal. Okay, this is a really, really good deal. As I said, I have my own custom bonuses I'm going to give you that nobody's going to be able to give you. And if you pick up any upgrade to the 10x Commissions machine, I'm going to give you a couple of additional bonuses. I'm going to give you access to my SEO Explosion software, as well as an SEO campaign. And I'm going to give you a shout out to my 7,000 plus Instagram followers. Okay, and that's again something that nobody else is going to be able to give you. I'm going to give it to you completely for free. If you pick up any 2 upgrades, I'm going to give you something extra special. I'm going to give you 100% commissions across the funnel on any of my products, so you can choose from BoostOptIn or the Income Formula or Unstoppable, or you can choose, let's see, I have so many of them, Graphic Supremacy or Durable or White Collar PLR. Okay, or what else? The 24-hour Bux. Okay, any of those you can choose from. You can get 100% commissions across the funnel, and basically use it as part of the 10x Commissions machine. So it really makes your money back really, really fast. So that's going to be another bonus for you. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed. Huge tip of my hat. I like the fact that John is relatively new. And that means that for somebody who is relatively new themselves, this is really going to help you out. But even if you're experienced, there's a lot of little tips and tricks that John came up with, which I hadn't thought of, which I really liked quite a little bit. And so I'm really impressed with what John has done here. And for $12.95, you really can't go wrong. This one is really worth picking up. Go ahead and grab this one. You're really going to love it.